Hello, in today's video, I will show you how to clean the filter in a washing machine. First, unplug the machine from the power outlet. Disconnect it from electricity. Only after that, continue working. Open the little door on the washing machine. There's an emergency drain hose, though not all machines have it. This one does. Drain the remaining water through the hose. If no water comes out, it means the hose is clogged. Let's imagine there is no emergency drain. In that case, proceed as follows. There's not much water inside, about 100 to 150 milliliters. Place a cloth underneath and slowly start unscrewing the filter. Water will begin to leak out. Do not unscrew the filter quickly, as the water will gush out. Do it step by step. Let some water drain, screw it back in, soak it up with the cloth, wring the cloth, place it again, unscrew more. Repeat this several times until all the water is gone. Once again, never unscrew the filter too fast, or all the water will rush out at once. Once the water stops, wring the cloth and remove the filter. As you can see, we've already found coins. 10 kopecks. Next, a piece of wire, a scrap of paper, more coins. A whole treasure. Now, let me show what's next. Turn on a flashlight and take a look inside. It should be clean. This green thing, it's the pump impeller. Sometimes something gets stuck and prevents it from spinning. Use a long metal object to carefully test if the impeller turns. If it rotates easily, all is good. Now remove any visible dirt. On the filter cap, there is a rubber seal. It should sit tightly against the inner rim. If any debris gets stuck between them, water may leak. So take a cloth and wipe both the filter and the sealing area thoroughly. Done. The cap is clean, the filter is clean. Use your fingers to make sure the seal sits flat, then screw it clockwise. We unscrewed it counterclockwise. All done. Now we need to turn on a wash cycle to check for leaks. Wipe everything dry and turn on the machine. The water will start to fill. Keep an eye on the filter area. Make sure no water is leaking. If it stays dry, great. You cleaned and reinstalled the filter properly. Close the little door. Please note, many washing machines don't have a visible access door, just a flat panel. In such cases, you need to snap open the top panel, which can be tricky. If you want, write in the comments which washing machine you have. I'll try to find that model and make a video specifically for it. If this video was helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what you liked or didn't like. Bye bye.